this is how I passed my TOPSTEP evaluation accounts and got them to express funded accounts, and at the same time I managed to take 2 payouts from one of the funded accounts. Now let's get into the data, the statistics, and everything else behind it. So as you can see, I have passed 4 evaluation accounts, but I blew up 2 accounts. As you can see, there are only 2 funded accounts. So I lost 2 of the funded accounts. It was because of lack of risk management and the lack of actually mentally like in the zone. I wasn't fully there, and it was just all bad. So this is just my past accounts. I've lost a lot of evaluation accounts before even getting them passed. There was a lot of trial and error through my systems. So as you can see on my 150K account, I ended the account at 164,849 in 15 trading days. Now, the reason why it's 164,000 and not 159,000 is that 159,000 is the amount you need to pass the evaluation account to get to the funded account. The thing is, I broke the consistency rule. Now, the consistency rule is you can't make more than 50% of what the goal is. So for the 150K account, I couldn't make more than 4,500. Obviously, I broke that rule. So therefore, I had to make more money every day. And that's why it's at 14K, almost 15K instead of 9K. And I use the same system for the 50K account. And the 50K account, you only need to make 3,000. But obviously, my account's at 55,000. And the statistics are right here for it. Consistency target was broken. My profit goal, 3,000. So why is it at 5,000 in 2 trading days with a day of the best day, worst day is 1,500, best day is 4,100. That's the reason why. My first day, I broke that consistency target by 600. I was at 2,155. I had to purposely lose money to get to $1,512, in which I still broke the target by $12. So I had to make a little bit more money, which was nothing. Next day, though, 4,250. Blew past the consistency target, but at the same time, I also hit the amount needed for the extra money of going past the consistency target. Therefore, I was able to pass the account in 2 days of a total of 5,664, 2,600 more than what was actually needed to pass the account in the first place. Now, as I said before, I did take 2 payouts, and they were on the 50K account, which is right here. And yeah, that's it. So over here is kind of where I'm going to explain what got me through to get the funded accounts and what actually helped me sustain the accounts to actually get payouts from them. Now, it was a hard process of doing so. It was a lot of trial and error through a lot of different strats, through a lot of different systems. And in the end, what I found that worked for me and tailored me the most was finding a system that I was able to manage my risk correctly, and I was able to actually tolerate the system. Like mentally, I was able to focus to understand the system, and that's all you need. Everyone's looking for a golden system, but the golden system is you yourself getting experience in the market. Whether it's trading New York, Asia, London, getting that repetition in, getting that consistent volume and practice in, that experience you generate while trading live and journaling your trades is what's going to get you your golden system, your system that is tailored to you. My system, it works for me and it doesn't work for me, but it's not guaranteed to work for anyone else. Same with anyone else. They can have their system that works for them, but is not guaranteed to work for me. Now, also talking about journaling trades, I have a whole book next to me that I've journaled over 100 pages of trades that I write down. And writing down, in my opinion, is way better than typing, because typing you forget faster. Writing down you forget, slower in a way. You retain the information more when you write it down. So that's why I write down my trades. But that's what you got to do. You got to figure out why your trade didn't work, why your trade did work, and just putting in volume and actually trading live. And that experience you generate is going to become your golden system. And there's a lot of free resources out there. YouTube, if you like watching videos. Investopedia, if you like reading articles. Investopedia is really good. Actual free education. You got Charles Schwab, all these places got it. Even I myself have some videos in the past. And yeah, in the future, I'm going to have a video of me explaining a bare bone of what I use to pass the account. And yeah, that's basically it.